Here we go. And he has a table exotic in Miami Rhapsody and her communist friends. And was burned on May 23rd, 1996. Yeah.
Now available to own on video cassette.
Jerry, I'm not working Christmas.
But Lucy, you're the only one.
Without family.
For Lucy, loneliness was a way of life.
Joe Jr.'s still single.
Yeah, it's a shocker.
But the moment she saw Peter, she became a believer in love at first sight.
He was perfect.
Then fate stepped in.
There's a train moving! Oh, God, you smell good.
Now she's part of his life.
He's in a coma.
Oh, I was gonna marry him.
Who's she?
She's his fiancée. No.
Peter's engaged.
Part of his family.
So glad he found you!
You haven't met Jack yet.
It's funny, my brother never mentioned you. Which one of the three Stooges was Peter's favorite?
Curly.
Carl! Ha! He's everybody's favorite. Fact is, you're not really Peter's type.
Whose type am I?
I like blondes.
You like brunettes.
What can I say, Peter? I was never envious of anything that you had until now.
You have to tell me what to do. I like Jack.
Pull the plug.
You're sick.
I'm sick. You're cheating on a vegetable.
Caravan Pictures presents Sandra Bullock.
These are your husband's things.
Not my husband!
Your fiancé.
He's awake.
In a film about love at second sight.
Who are you?
While you were sleeping, rated PG.
What we feel, we put it out there. There's no point otherwise.
For a love this strong,
We make our own rules. We go where the wind takes us.
this crazy,
What the hell are you doing?
they would have done anything.
Now you met this girl and nothing else seems to matter.
And they did. Chris O'Donnell, Drew Barrymore,
Casey, come on.
Trust me, okay? Just stay straight.
Mad Love, rated PG-13.
And now, our feature presentation.
This film is a modified digital version. It's format for ear TV.
It was just one of those things.